I'd like to demonstrate how you can embed a video, and in this example I'm going to take this one here from our Students as Producers project and add a quiz element to it. And in this example I'm going to use a fill in the blank quiz, and I'm going to do that using something called hot potatoes. Now there will be a variety of different ways you can go about creating a quiz like this, but I'm going to show you how you can use hot potatoes to do that. So we can jump straight in, or I can just talk you through how to download the software, which is probably a good place to start. I'm using a PC and I have downloaded this version here, and the reason for that is it enables me to run it from a memory stick, so I don't have to install it on the computer or memory stick or the desktop of the computer. Now I've got that here on my memory stick, and I'm just going to launch it by clicking on this hotpot icon here. And I am interested in JCloze. That gives us the fill in the blanks exercises. So to start with, I'm going to paste in my text, which I have in a Word document. The script. So I'm just going to take this text here. This is part of the script from the video. And then I'm going to give this resource a title. In fact, I think what I'll do is I'll call it Reading a Radiograph. And now so the text's in, the title is in, but now the important thing is how to get the video in. So I have some text here. Sorry, I have a piece of script here, and it's giving me the path to the video, which is here. So basically, if I want to add a different video in, this is the bit that I need to change. However, this video will link directly, this link will link directly to the video that I want to access. So I'm just going to go to Add Reading Text, and I'm just going to paste that in there, and I'm just going to click Including a Reading Text, and then just click OK. So I now need to add some gaps. So in order to make that simpler for the person, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of instruction in. And I'm just going to put a line underneath. And now every word that I turn into a gap, I'm going to just copy and paste up here. So that is going to be my first gap. I'm just going to click gap and then just leave that as the default and click OK. And then I'm going to have this as the second gap. So you can either add a comma, in fact in this example just keep it simple, and I'll just add a comma, and I'll have a third one which I'll take here. Again, I'm going to add a comma and paste it in. So now, and then turn that into a gap. Okay, perfect. Gap and radiograph. That's gap. Okay, and I guess I need to mix these up slightly, otherwise it's going to give the game away. So I'm just going to okay, great. Okay, so those are my three words, my three gaps, and I'm just going to go File and Create Web Page. So I'll just call it and save it to my desktop. Okay, and so this is my exercise. I've got my video. Now this video of course is linked to YouTube, so I can, if I upload this file to Moodle or to any other online space, I've just got the link to the video, not the video itself. And then here is my fill in the gaps, and here's my additional information with the missing words. So that's good. Now what I'd like to show you now is how to get rid of this additional information here, this index, and then change the color a little bit as well, make it look a little bit more jolly. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to Options and to go Configure Output. And under Appearance, I can set the background color, for example. I'm just going to set it to a mauve. Actually, that doesn't look that brilliant. Let's see if I set it to that one there. Okay, obviously you can experiment with this as much as you like. The text font size, on the buttons. Okay, so I would like to take out this navigation, this next. I don't have anything to link this through to, so I'm just going to delete that, as well as the Go To Contents button, because this is just a standalone resource right now. And text and instructions. So this is all editable. Gap fill exercise. I'm just going to leave this right now as default, and then OK that. So let's just have another look now to see what we've created, having altered that slightly. So again, I'm going to go to standard format and just overwrite the original file on my desktop. Yes, that's fine. View my exercise. Okay, so arguably a little bit better. Let's just have a go at doing this to see what happens when I fill these in. I'm going to get 2 of these wrong and 1 of these correct. Actually, it looks like I'm going to get them all correct. So let me just get 2 of them wrong. Okay, and just see what happens. Okay, so it's giving me 33%. Okay, that. If I want to see the video, I can just click on the video and watch the video. Okay, so I am relatively happy with that resource. It seems to work. So let's just see where this currently is. It is currently kept, I've just saved it to the desktop. This is it, called Radiograph. So this is something that you can either keep as a standalone resource, just play it directly from a memory stick, or upload it to Moodle, or upload it to some other web space in order to share with people. Critical information is, of course, how you exchange one video with another video. So I'll just demonstrate that. Now, on our Students as Producers webpage, we have another video, and I'm just going to click through to YouTube, and I'm after part of the embed code. Okay, so I click here on Share, and unfortunately this, you have to copy the whole thing. So I'm going to just quickly click on Embed, and I'm going to go from the W's here, and I'm going to take it all the way to this list of letters and numbers just before the quotation marks. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go to our hot potatoes exercise, bring up the working file, and go to Add Reading Text. So this is the HTML that we initially pasted into this area, and I'm going to go from the W's and go all the way, but not including the quotation marks, and I'm just going to right click and paste, and then click OK that. And so now when I go to File and Create Web Page, I'm just going to overwrite that file and view that. So what we'll see now is that the new video is displayed